How's it going? My name is Rami Abdi, and today we're going to show you how to install your new Spectre fiber steering wheel in your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y vehicle. The first step here will be clicking the vehicle icon in the lower left-hand corner, going to safety, scrolling all the way to the very bottom, and clicking power off on your vehicle. Pop open our trunk. We're going to lift it up, and there's going to be a cover right here. We can remove this by hand, and if you see here, you're going to have your first battery that we're going to unplug. Unscrew this portion right here. So now we're going to remove the additional battery. So the first step here is unlatching the rear seats from the vehicle and pulling it up. And then now we're going to go ahead and get prepared to unplug the battery from the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and remove the cover like so. Press down the safety latch, bringing the gray piece all the way to the very bottom, and pull the plug upwards. Okay, so the next step is we're going to disengage the airbag from the rest of the vehicle. The first step is we're going to use the Allen keys here, and we're going to insert them into the tiny holes on both sides of the steering wheel column. Push forward, you'll hear the airbag disengage. Connecting the airbag to the vehicle are two plugs, as you can see here, one yellow and one purple. To remove, we're just going to go ahead and pinch to unlatch. So now we're going to remove the screw holding the steering wheel using our T55 Torx Bit and our breaker bar. I'll just go ahead and pull out. And if you're having some difficulty, sometimes shake it to the side and up and down, and then continue to pull backwards. So now we're going to go ahead and begin here, removing the airbag cover from the airbag itself. So with the clips here, they are very malleable. And the goal is that we're going to try to bend them enough so that they pass over this little plastic notch here. And we're going to do that on the entirety around. Don't worry about breaking them. They bend pretty far out. After we went ahead and removed the airbag cover like so, we're going to replace it with the one provided with your set. The way you do this is just place it on top, make sure that it passes underneath the clips, and push down. So with your new Spectre fiber steering wheel, we already have everything pre-assembled from the connectors that you're going to see on the back end. So now we're going to go ahead and start placing on, making sure that we're aligning the connector ports with the cutouts on the steering wheel. Take our purple plug right here and plug it back into the same connecting port as before. Take the steering wheel column screw and place it on. Hand tighten it to as snugly as you can. We're going to take our torque wrench and set it to 59 foot-pounds and tighten until I hear a click like that. Now I'm going to go ahead, plug back the yellow plug into its desired slot. I'm going to align the metal poles with the gray holes found in each corner, making sure it is sitting flush. So now we're going to go ahead and finish up by plugging back in the front battery of the vehicle, and afterwards we will place the cover back onto its desired position. Plug back in our first battery and pull the latch up to the very top. I'm going to place the cover back onto the top. Well, we're all done and set. Be sure to check us out at www.fusionmotorsusa.com.